Will AI replace your job? This question is buzzing everywhere, from students to CEOs, and even governments. Every new AI tool sparks headlines claiming jobs are at risk. But is AI here to replace millions or create new opportunities? Here's the truth: AI automates tasks, not entire jobs. Jobs have many sides, some tasks AI nails, others only humans can handle. Tech has always changed work. From the Industrial Revolution to smartphones, some jobs vanish while new ones appear. AI will do the same. Got repetitive work? Data entry, scheduling, basic reports, these may shift to AI. But creativity, empathy, and complex decisions? Those are yours. Careers in healthcare, education, engineering, and creative fields grow stronger with AI assisting, not replacing, you. Think of AI as your new teammate. Wondering what to study? Adaptability beats specialization. Lifelong learning isn't optional anymore, it's your secret weapon against disruption. AI can compose music and write stories, but true creativity? That's all you: original ideas, emotions, storytelling, and meaning. Communication stays king. Leading teams, closing deals, teaching or inspiring, AI supports you, but real human connection wins every time. Problem solving is your superpower. Businesses want thinkers, not task completers. Sharpen your critical edge to stay ahead of AI. Entrepreneurs, AI is your launchpad. Build websites, craft content, analyze markets, automate chores, start smarter and faster than ever before. Forget humans versus AI. Picture collaboration: architects, doctors, teachers, lawyers, all using AI to level up efficiency and creativity. New tech means new jobs. AI already created prompt engineers, AI trainers, ethics pros, and plenty more careers nobody imagined yet. Biggest mistake? Thinking learning ends with graduation. Keep reading, exploring, and experimenting. Curiosity is your career's best fuel. Myth: AI replaces everyone. Fact: jobs evolve and new ones emerge. Myth: only coders need AI. Fact: AI helps nearly every profession. Myth: only tech experts will thrive. Truth: the future belongs to adaptable minds. Creativity, communication, leadership, and empathy are your keys. 10 years from now, your AI assistant might summarize meetings, generate reports, and boost efficiency, but humans still lead, innovate, and inspire. Your biggest advantage? Not knowing every AI tool, but solving meaningful problems. Technology changes, human needs don't. Lead with heart and skill. So, instead of asking, "Will AI take my job?" ask, "How can I use AI to become even more valuable?" That mindset is your future-proof superpower. Keep learning. Keep adapting. Keep creating. Because thriving with technology beats fearing it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI career insights.